Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I will start georeferencing process in ArcGIS. So I have already uploaded several videos related to the QGIS, but with this QGIS I will start some new video or tutorial in ArcGIS environment. So this is a state of India. I will do georeferencing of this raster image. So before going to raster image, I want to show something. So this is a layer panel. So within this layer panel, just click on this Jharkhand lat long and go to properties. And within this properties, if you go in shorts, okay, second one shorts, you can see here cell size XY 1 and 1, and as well as if I go below, then you can see the XY coordinate system. This is unknown. That means this raster image don't have any projection system because it is not georeference image. I want to georeference. Okay, after georeferencing, when I will assign some coordinate, then we can see the XY coordinate system within this. Okay, so cancel this. So first of all, within this image we can see here some latitudinal and longitudinal extension is there. So on the basis of the existing latitude and longitude, we'll do georeferencing. So for the georeferencing, we should need the georeferencing tool. So this is a georeferencing tool. If you don't have this georeferencing tool, this is just and go this menu bar side and just right click on this and you can see georeferencing. Okay, check on this georeferencing and your georeferencing toolbox will appear. Okay, so we'll do each and everything from this georeferencing toolbox. So automatically this Jharkhand lat long automatically showing here. So actually I want to georeferencing this image, that is why showing this. Now after that, so beside the georeferencing you can see add control point, then auto registration and other thing. So we work with this add control point. Just click on this add control point. Okay, then you can see here if I zoom it, okay, if I zoom it, then I can see this 25 degree north and 84 degree north coincide here. So I can zoom it, and I want to take here. So just click on this, and after that just right click on your mouse button. Okay, then you can see input X and Y. So X is longitude, that is 84, and Y is latitude, that is 25. Okay, then click on OK. So first point already assigned here. Okay, then I will go this portion. So you can see here 88 and 25. So zoom it, click here, then zoom out. Okay, zoom out and just right click, input XY. So here X is 88 and Y is 25. Okay, then click on OK. So 2 point already taken. So if you swing this, don't worry, just click here and click on zoom to layer. Okay, then I want to take the third point from here. So zoom it and click here. After that zoom out from using your scroll button from your mouse, then click on here, right click and input your X and Y coordinates. So here X is 87 and Y is 22. Okay, click on OK, and last one I want to take from here. So zoom it first, click on it, then zoom out, right click, input XY. So now you can see the interesting thing. If I click outside, you can see automatically this is quite very close to 84 X and Y is 23.21. That is, this is also quite very close to 23 degree latitude. Okay, so I want to give here assign 84 and 23, then click on OK. Successfully taken. So now the thing is that we can click here, that is from the georeferencing. You can see here the viewer, you can click this view link table. So after clicking this, if I expand this, you can see here x y coordinate as well as the residual. So my residual is less than 0.01. so the thing is that in georeferencing you should always remember that your residual should be less than 0.1 or less than 1. Okay, so my residual less than 0.01, so this is acceptable. Okay, so I can just close it. So after taking this 4 GCP point, you just go again this georeferencing, and after that you can see here two important function here. One is update georeferencing and another is rectify. If I click on this update georeferencing, then what will happen? This image will georeference. So that means further in future I am unable to work anymore practice on this image. So that is why I should select this rectify. If I select this rectify, that means I can save this georeference image into somewhere else. Okay, so cell size, no data value as usual will be there. Output location, that means where you want to save this. So click here, then search your location where you want to save. So I want to add new layer, that is ArcGIS. Okay, and this is my folder, and within this click here add. So this is my output location, and name should be Jharkhand georeference. Okay, georeference, and format should be TIFF. Okay, and you can also give after georeferencing .tif, because in ArcGIS the file format should be TIFF if it is a raster image. Okay, so always should assign TIFF after any kind of raster calculation or raster image analysis. Then click on save. Okay, now I want to remove this, and then go to the catalog. Okay, so from this catalog my saved image in somewhere here, this is ArcGIS and Jharkhand georeferencing. Okay, if I take Jharkhand georeferencing here, this is showing unknown special reference. Why it is showing? Actually it indicating that this georeference image don't have any projection, so we should assign a projection of this georeference image. So how can we assign projection? Very simple. Again just click here Jharkhand, then go to right click, then click on properties. Okay, and then within this general go below, and you can see here XY coordinate system. Okay, and just click here edit. Now you can see the geographic coordinate system, that is GCP, and the projected coordinate system. So according to your need, you can go with any kind of projection system, GCP or projected coordinate system. So if I want to go with geographic coordinate system, then click on this geographic coordinate system, then go world, and from this world just search WGS 1984, because this is widely acceptable projection. So click on WGS 1984, then click on OK, then click on apply and OK. So again go to table of content, remove this, and again go to catalog and just double click or just drag it here, and now you can see no more any further notification, because this image has the projection system, as well as this is also a georeference image. So just go to here, then go to properties, and if I go the source, you can see here, go below, yes, you can see here XY coordinate system is GCS 1984. So this is a georeference image. So thank you for watching. This is a simple tutorial. Thank you for watching, and keep subscribe my channel for more video and more update. Thank you again.